10 years as a pulmonologist, and I'm finally sharing a little known secret to stopping cough fast. Swishing coconut oil literally in your mouth can help lubricate your throat and reduce irritation. Food with chili peppers can actually clear out the mucus from your chest. It helps open the airways for better breathing. 100% natural herbal tea is a game changer. It's known for its soothing properties and calming throat irritation. Comfort with every sip. It's very convenient to get Hey Girl Feel Better tea. It's highly rated on Amazon. And lastly, gargle with apple cider vinegar. It helps balance your throat's pH level and kills bacteria. Follow for more of this daily unpopular secrets.